Hello everyone, this is Alok and welcome back to another video of the linked list series. It's the sixth video of our linked list series and the 11th overall. Till now we have covered various aspects of linked list like creation, traversal, insertion of a new node, deletion of an existing node, reverse printing of linked list, actual reversal of linked list, and today we'll be expanding our knowledge further and we'll be exploring doubly linked list. So our today's topic of discussion is reversal of doubly linked list. If you don't know the structure of doubly linked list, then let me tell you that in doubly linked list, each node would be having two pointers, unlike the singly linked list in which each node have only one pointer. Let me show you an example. This is a singly linked list in which each node is having one pointer only and the last node is pointing towards null. Now see the doubly linked list. So in doubly linked list, the head is pointing towards null and the last node is also pointing towards null. So as you can see the difference, if we take the example of 20, so from 20 we can move to 10 as well as from 20 we can move to 30. So in simple words, you can understand it as two-way traffic, whereas single linked list was one-way traffic, right? So in doubly linked list, there would be two pointers. One would be pointing towards the previous and the other would be pointing towards next. So in this video, we want to perform the reversal of our linked list. Till now, we have understood the reversal of a single linked list, and now we'll be starting with the understanding the reversal of the doubly linked list. So let's start it by understanding the algorithm of this method. But before jumping onto the algorithm, let's understand what this algorithm is all about. Over here, you can see a doubly linked list. So let's consider 20. So for 20, its previous pointer is pointing towards 10, whereas its next pointer is pointing towards 30. So basically what we would be doing is that we would be swapping these pointers with each other, just like this. So as you can see, these both of these pointers are swapped with each other. So let's start understanding the algorithm. First of all, we need to define two pointers, one for storing the previous and the other one for storing the next. And both of them will be assigned with the value null. After this, we need to create a while loop in which the condition is that it means it will run until head is not equal to null. It means the loop would terminate if head becomes equal to null. Further, inside the while loop, we would be performing five operations. The first operation would be assigning next, the next node that we have created over here with head.next. Now this is the most important step. This is where the actual reversal happens. See, the previous pointer of our current node is made to point towards next, and the next pointer of our current node is made to point towards previous. This is how swapping takes place. Remember, we are changing the head after each iteration. See, in the last step of each iteration, you can see the previous node is assigned with head and head is assigned with next. Means this is what I was talking about. We are changing the head for each iteration. Means the value of head is updated just before the completion of each iteration. So basically, in the last step, we are changing the value of head, and after this while loop terminates, the previous node would be having the head of our reverse doubly linked list. So this was our algorithm. Now I'll be running the same algorithm on Geeks for Geeks. So I am here on Geeks for Geeks, and now I'll be implementing the algorithm. First of all, I'll be creating two nodes. Now the while loop. So inside the while loop, there were five operations. Let me click on compile and run. It's compiled perfectly. Now I'm going to submit it. So as you can see, it is producing output perfectly. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. For any suggestion, you can always comment down in the comment section. So see you all in the next video.